Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to add bullets in Google Docs or how you can add sub bullets in Google Docs. So here you can see I have opened my Google Docs file here. So if you want to add bullets point, if you want to if you're going to type if you're going to type and if you want to add bullet points while typing, then here you can see this option like this. Now click on this arrow, then you will see option like this. Now click on this bullet, this tiny icon, sorry, arrow, and select your bullet point style. So I just select this one. Now bullet point has appeared here. Now you can type. Okay, you can type like anything. Take zone. Okay, if you want to add more bullets, just hit the enter, then it will, now the new bullets point will be enter. Now you can write anything. So now if you want to make this point as a sub bullets, so you just select the bullets and click the tab, then it will be sub bullets. Okay, so if you want to add sub bullets, just hit the tab, hit enter. Okay, if you want to add more sub bullets, then just hit the enter one time, and if you want to add the main bullets, just then enter the two time. Okay, my channel. Okay, so that is for new content or new typing. So if you have already data ready and if you want to add the bullets point, that just select the data like this and go to the bullets here, and you select the bullet types here, then bullets will be add. Okay, this is checkbox, you can add the bullets from here. Okay, so same as if you want to add sub bullets, just select the bullets and hit the tab, then it will be add tab. Okay, you can see. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.